Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to secure Facebook account to avoid hackers. But before you go on, thanks to Hanif Bimo for your subscribe so far. You can also subscribe if you want to be mentioned in the next video. Also subscribe for more text videos. Okay, now log into your Facebook account. And click on the menu bar. Scroll down and click on Settings. And click on Password and Security. Now, over to this page, click on See More. So these are devices and locations in which your account has been logged in without you knowing. Now all you have to do is scroll down and click on Log Out of All section. Click on Log Out. And that is it. We are done. Now your accounts have been logged out from unknown devices. I think you should do this at least every month to avoid hackers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.